Alright guys, I'm off work. Now we're on our way to Shiloh's house to go spray the engine bay, brother. And I got Braden with us so he can lend a hand. Hey, there you go. That's what's up. Shiloh's been doing some sanding, I see. I don't think you guys can. It's so bright out here, it's why. But
good evening, everyone. I'd like to introduce this Thursday traffic accident. A Beaver County man is being held for murder. It's more labor.
technical difficulties. What'd you do to it, Shiloh?
Whatever, dude. Cheap ass shit. New. Why don't you bring your compressor?
Motherfucker, why didn't you come pick up my compressor? Got a fucking Yukon out here and a fucking Suburban. This guy says, why didn't you bring your compressor? The hell? It should be silver and gold, right? Terminals? There's one silver and one gold. Right here, the bolts. So that's gold. Is that silver?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the way I always remember this is black guys wear gold, white guys wear silver. Black guys wear gold, white guys wear silver. I mean, right? I feel like that's right. Raven! What are you doing out here, dude?
It's my freaking
Game time.
They say into your early life, romance came, and it 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 and it came, and it came, and it
do is shave and paint the engine bay while I'm getting the block built.
So we're back at home, dude. Pay no attention to the fact that I have a camera mounted on my head. But we have a few things that I brought with me back to the house just to get sprayed for Shiloh's car. The front steering knuckles and some other random little stuff, his windshield wipers. But we ran out of time while we're doing the base. I just brought this stuff home with me, and I'm gonna try out this new GoPro mount, dude. And so without further ado, brother, let's get this shit hung up out back and get the spraying, yo.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
Fucking Mustang.
Yo, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do smash that like button because it helps me out tremendously, dude. And for everybody that's already bought stickers, I want to say thank you guys very much. I'm a family man, dude. It's hard to take from my day job and apply funds to a project car, you know what I'm saying? So every single little bit that I get from the stickers is what's gonna be going towards the build and the engine build and everything that we gotta do to get this car running, to move on to the next stage of the khaki Civic. So for everybody that's already purchased stickers, dude, I want you to know that I appreciate it. Thank you guys very much. And if you guys are interested in buying stickers, the merch store is the very first link in the description below. Go ahead and cop your guys self some because every single little bit helps, man. Yeah, dude. Peace out, guys. I love you, DB fam. And I'll see you on the next one. And always remember,